Safety considerations. When you're working grinding lucite, you have to use a full-face 3M mask with organic cartridges to make absolutely sure you get no chemicals into your body and no particulates. I'll wear a suit, and I'll wear very, very heavy gloves. And I also have a system set up here, which is a vacuum pull. And I'll turn that on, and it will suck all the air out so that all the particles go into the HEPA vacuum. It's not a normal vacuum. It's much smaller particle grab. And so, I'll have full face protection, body protection, hand protection, big heavy gloves, so if I goof with the Dremel, it won't hurt my body. And I've learned you got to be very, very, very cautious with this stuff. Off-gassing and particles, both.